Hi,
Good
good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. How was your day?
My day was good as usual.
Huh?
My day was as usual good.
Oh, as usual. Okay, all right. What do you want to learn? You have to reduce it. That's all. And that will only come with practice.
Okay. Like when I talk to about past activity, so I take a lot of and between the sentences. So and my sentence formation is not good to hear. So so I want these kind of fillers. So and then my speaking will be good.
Okay, all right. That I agree. But then there is nothing to learn in this, Kalpana. You only have to practice. Like it's not a topic. Fillers is not a topic. Fillers and crutch words, you just have to be conscious in it. Nothing else. Understood?
Yeah, earlier you gave me five words, and
Yeah.
that time I made a story. So
Yes. You
I
want to do
made
something like that again?
no, ma'am. Then I made story in my way, but you explain the story in your way. So that I feel I felt that your way is talking, your way is describe anything is good, but my way is not good.
No, it's only because of practice, nothing else. Maybe I am speaking English since childhood. I have many, many years of practice. That's why you're feeling that my way of speaking is better. It's only practice. 5 years from today, someone else will feel the same about you
Okay.
because you will practice, practice, practice constantly, and it, you are going to become perfect.
Ma'am, which kind of practice I do?
But how
I
long have you
do
been practicing for, Kalpana? Tell me.
consistency with consistency. I have been doing last 4 months,
4 months.
but
And I have studied English. I in my school we were punished if we spoke in Hindi with our friends also. So we used to speak with our friends also in English. Okay? And I have studied English for 25 years now. So don't you think there will be a difference?
ma'am, I have been learning this language for 1 and 3 months, but consistency I am doing for
Yeah.
1 month.
So tell me, in the last 4 months, have you found yourself anywhere better? Have you become better? Do you think so? That yeah, little better I have become.
Yeah, little.
Yeah. So that little, little, little is going to make your ocean. Okay? Because there's no topic as fillers or crutch words, Kalpana. You only have to practice. Read loudly, read as much as you can. Focus on your verbal speech. I mean, focus on your verbal attributes. Read, speak, sing, all of those things. Are you getting my
Ma'am, these
point?
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I do means I read loud. Mm, since you told me, so I have started read loud. Okay,
I have
and yeah,
started
I
reading loudly.
have started reading.
Loudly.
Okay, read loud. So yeah, I know when the voice come in my mind, so I better pronounce.
See, that question will always be there. That question is with me also a lot of times. That am I speaking correct English or not? Right. But we have to also understand that it's not possible to always speak correct English. Okay. You will make mistakes. Just make sure that you don't repeat your mistakes again and again. So, whatever feedback you're getting from the trainers, from teachers, just make sure you are focusing on that and remembering that. I think that's one of the most important things to do. Remember your mistake. If not, you write it down that today I made this mistake and then note it down.
Okay.
Read it again and again because it's not sometimes, it's sometimes. So these are small, small errors, But then here your fluency comes. Here your, that, okay, this is good or okay, I can become better or even more better. That comes here. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You
So
understand what
that's
I said?
yes, yes, yes. Because I am feeling not good, so I was not interested to take class today. I don't know why.
Then why you did? Why you took? Sometimes it's best to do what feels good for you. If you don't feel like coming to class, don't come. Cancel it. Do it some other day.
But ma'am, I can't do this because I have only 2 days to get my subscription will get over.
Yeah, so I'm not saying don't do the class then. Imagine you don't feel like doing the class now. Imagine 1:30. I don't want to do. Don't cancel it. Do it at 4. Do it at 5. Do it later. Do it after half an hour. Okay, because if you're doing a class half-heartedly, anyway, it's not going to make sense. Anyway, you will not learn anything because it will not go here. We tell our kids, no, मम्मा मैं थक गया पढ़ के ठीक है 5 मिनट ब्रेक ले लो जाओ फिर आके पढ़ना Why do you tell this to your kids? Same reason. Break is important. Otherwise, how will you refuel yourself? Right. So if ever you feel that this is becoming tiring, I don't want to do it. This I need a break. Take that break. Don't take it too long.
Same things are in mind that I am not capable to speak.
Who told you that?
I feel
Why?
because I think that I took 3 days off,
So
so that's why I now I feel that. But then I am continuously taking class, so when I got confidence to speak, so it is
see if
happen
you're
to
not,
everyone.
yeah, it can happen to everyone. Also, it's not only taking classes now. Imagine today you don't feel like taking a class. Don't take a class. Read a book loudly, or watch a movie. Do something that is related to English. So something is going in your brain, no? Like always, I always take my mother's advice and her situation. So whenever I never thought I did not enjoy maths a lot, okay. So I was like, no, mama, I don't want to do maths. Okay, no problem. For half an hour, do history, do English for half an hour, take a break, and then come back to maths. So same thing. You don't like taking a session, okay, take a break, watch a movie, maybe read a book, maybe watch a podcast, maybe listen to English songs, come back to the class. And don't lose hope like this. It's so bad to lose hope. And you are doing so well, Kalpana. How can you lose hope?
I don't know, ma'am, but since morning I was thinking a lot about my learning. I don't know, and for 3 days I have not taken session, so I feel that now and at home I was speaking in Hindi, so that was the reason. Maybe
Could be. It could be anything. It could just be a bad day. Like there are days when you wake up and you're like you don't even want to get out of bed. Forget anything else. There are days like that, right? Like no, I don't want to do anything. It could just be a bad day. And we're humans. It's okay. But don't lose hope like that or don't be sad. Please, I can see you're really sad. Like your eyes are welling up. Please don't. You are
no,
very,
ma'am.
very, very good, Kalpana. Very good. Not everyone has the uh, motivation to do certain things after certain time. I don't know if I will. Like if I want to learn something and I have kids and I have a family, I don't think I will be able to go back to that. But you're doing that for yourself. You're taking out time for yourself. You're not doing those kitty parties and stuff. You're using it for better use. It's amazing. Don't feel sad. Please, I feel very bad if you feel sad like this. Because you don't deserve to feel sad. You're doing amazing, amazing job. Some of the words you have told me, I didn't even know they existed. And then you told me, man, this word is there. I'm like, oh yeah, okay. You remember I googled the word? If you remember,
Yes.
so a couple of times I've googled the word. So see.